Did you know that an ancient civilization accurately calculated planetary movements millennia ago? This same civilization developed a calendar that was mistakenly believed to herald the end of the world. Today, we explore the remarkable Maya calendar, recognized as one of history's most ancient and intricate timekeeping systems. The Maya people flourished in regions now encompassing Mexico, Guatemala, Belize, and parts of Central America. They demonstrated exceptional prowess in astronomy, mathematics, and architecture. Notably, the Maya were among the select ancient cultures globally to regularly employ the concept of zero, a feat that enabled their precise calculations of time and dates. The Maya calendar was not a singular entity, but rather a composite of several distinct calendars. The most significant was the Tzolk'in, a sacred 260-day calendar used for religious ceremonies, important festivities, and spiritual observances. Complementing this was the Hab, a solar calendar of 365 days, instrumental in regulating the year's seasons, agricultural cycles, and daily life. The Hab comprised 18 months, each with 20 days, followed by an additional 5 days at year's end, known as Vibes. The Maya regarded these days as inauspicious and observed special rituals during this period. The Tzolk'in and Hab calendars were integrated to form a larger cycle known as the calendar round, which recurred every 52 years. However, the Maya's ambition extended beyond tracking mere decades. They also devised the long count calendar capable of recording millennia of history. In this system, days were counted from a specific epoch, which Maya tradition places as beginning in 3114 BC. Beyond their calendrical achievements, the Maya were extraordinary astronomers, dedicated to observing the celestial dance of the sun, moon, and planets. The planet Venus held particular importance, and their calculations of its orbital period were remarkably accurate, achieved without the aid of modern telescopes or scientific instruments. Their astronomical expertise is further echoed in their monumental temples and pyramids. Certain Maya pyramids were engineered so that sunlight struck them at specific angles on particular days, casting intriguing shadows. This suggests these structures served not only as places of worship, but also as astronomical observatories. In 2012, the Maya calendar gained global notoriety due to a widespread rumor that the world would end on December 21st, 2012. This notion fueled numerous films, books, and television programs. However, the reality is that no such prophecy existed within the Maya calendar. That date merely marked the completion of a major calendar cycle and the commencement of a new one, akin to the transition from December 31st to a new year. Intriguingly, the Maya calendar remains a living tradition. Some Maya communities in Guatemala and surrounding areas continue to utilize various components of this calendar for their religious and cultural celebrations. Consequently, the Maya calendar is esteemed not simply as a timekeeping mechanism, but as a comprehensive cultural, religious, and scientific heritage. Developed thousands of years ago, this system continues to astound historians and scientists today. The Maya civilization demonstrated that even with limited resources, human intellect can achieve extraordinary feats in astronomy, mathematics, and time measurement.